Potatoes.
Yeah, Brett's a little sick, so he's gonna lay in Mama's bed. Okay, Brett.
Too much potatoes.
Too many pillows on Mommy's bed?
I'm done now.
You're gonna take the pillows off and put them down there?
Okay.
Okay. Where do we put them? That's right. I shouldn't make you do all the chores when you're sick, huh?
Heavy pillow.
It's a heavy pillow. Here's one.
Heavy pillow.
Heavy pillow. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Yeah, you have a fever, don't you?
Heavy.
Careful. There you go.
Too
Whoa.
much potatoes.
Too many pillows. Here, you want to get the ones off Daddy's side?
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Oh.
So he doesn't seem that sick. He just has a hot fever. The thermometer said it was 102.9, didn't it?
Too much, Mommy.
I know. So he's got some Tylenol in him. Give him something to drink.
Right here, heavy.
Right here, heavy. What else do you need before you lay on Mommy's bed? What's that on the floor over there?
No.
No, do you want your blanket? Where is it? Get it.
I'll get.
You'll get it? Okay. Good job.
On Dada's side.
You're lay on Dada's side?
No.
You're lay on Mommy's side? What?
On Mommy's side.
Okay. Ooh. It's going to shock you. Think it's going to shock you?
Shock you?
Do you know what that means?
Fish.
Can you get up there on your own?
Okay. I'll come next. But
You're going to lay right there?
Daddy's side.
Oh, there's Daddy's side. Should we close the curtains?
Yeah.
Okay.
Open! So,
Like that. Okay.
Daddy's watch.
Daddy's watch is right there. That's right.
Dada. Hot.
Okay, you want to lay down and I'll go get you something to drink?
I'm on you. Mommy's side?
Mommy's side? Okay, say bye, camera.
Bye, camera.
Say, hope you get to feel better. Mommy hopes you get feeling better. Say, okay.
Okay, camera.
Okay, camera.